Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Simon Says Let's Cook. So today we are going to make street style pav bhaji, right? So before I begin, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So I have gobi here, cauliflower, half of cauliflower here, three medium-sized potatoes, two carrots, a little bit of beetroot to give a good color to the dish. So we don't use artificial coloring, we can use beetroot. Some green peas, these are frozen, but if you have fresh green peas, please use that. This is tomatoes, onions finely sliced, capsicum, two green chilies, lime, hara dhania, we need loads of that, some ginger garlic paste, butter, Kasturi methi, Kashmiri red chili powder. Like I always say that let's use Kashmiri chili powder because it gives a good color, flavor and it's not so spicy. This is Pav Bhaji Masala. This is made at home. If you want to know the ingredients that I have used, please let me know and I will put it up for you. This is turmeric and some jeera. So we need fresh pav. This is made at home by my daughter. If you want to know how to make this at home, please let me know so that I can share the recipe with you. So keep a cooker and add some oil. Once the oil is hot, add jeera. So the jeeras are roasted. Add a little bit of the pav bhaji masala and add the tomatoes. Now add all the vegetables that you had put and give it a good mix. Add some salt and add 1.5 cup of water. So you can give it 2 whistles and then switch off the cooker. So while the vegetables are getting cooked in the cooker, we will keep a pan, add some oil and some butter. So this, if we all know that butter is the flavor that is really comes out in the street food when we have pav bhaji. So if you are in a mood and not counting your calories, you can add more butter. Now add the onions, the capsicum and the green chilies. So the onions are kind of pinkish and brownish and the capsicum is also done. Let's add, you don't have to roast it too much, the onions. Then add the ginger garlic paste and fry it for a couple of, maybe a minute or two. And add hara dhania. Please add a big spoon of chili powder, a little bit of turmeric powder and a spoon of Pav Bhaji Masala. Because I've made it at home, this is pretty concentrated. If you are buying, then you may have to add 2 spoons. So the vegetables are cooked and now let's mash the vegetables. So add some lime juice into this mixture and then add the mashed vegetables. So now we can mash it. I've mixed it nicely and then mash it well and we have to roast it well. Jitna acha bunega utna tasty aayega pav bhaji. So the bhaji is nicely roasted. Now make sure to add some water. It should not be very thick. It should be a little watery so that when you dip the pav into it, it kind of soaks up. So let's now, I think this is almost done. And let's now get ready to butter the pav up. So add some butter into the pan. Add a little bit of the hara dhania. Put very little of the pav masala. So let's put the pav one by one into this. Okay, let's flip this now. So this looks good. So street style pav bhaji is ready to be served. It looks very delicious and I can taste it, so I can tell you it's very yummy too. So if you like the recipe, please try it at home. Thank you. You can also serve it with onion and some lime. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you.